It says the arguments in items 4D to 4F show that a sequence of rigid motions maps triangle A prime B prime C prime to triangle DEF. The dilation in item 4C, followed by the sequence of rigid motion, shows that there is a sequence of similarity transformations that maps triangle ABC to triangle DEF. So by the definition of similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. You learned there were 6 criteria for showing that triangles are congruent. So it seems logical that there may be other criteria for showing that triangles are similar. First, investigate whether there is a side angle side similarity criterion. How do you think the side angle side similarity criterion differs from the side angle side congruence criterion? B. State what you think the side angle side criterion would say. Use geometry software to construct the following triangles with the given measurements. AB equals 4, BC equals 6, and measure of angle B equals 47 degrees. We know that DE equals 2, EF equals 3, and angle E equals 47 degrees. Use the software to determine the remaining side and angle measures for each triangle. Are the triangles similar? Explain why or why not. And based on your answers above, state the side angle side similarity theorem. Okay. In this particular problem, I'm going to give you the answer to D. I'm going to give you the answer to D, but we're going to work through the others, okay? I want you to do A, B, and C. We're also going to do E together, D and E together, okay? We're not actually going to do C because of the fact that that's asking us to use that geometry software. And F says, based on your answers above, state the side angle side similarity theorem. So I'm going to give you D and E before I have you get started on your own. D, we're going to say that AC equals 4.4. DF equals 2.2. Measure of angle A equals the measure of angle D, which equals approximately, I'm going to put approximately 86 degrees. Lastly, I'm going to state the measure of angle C equals the measure of angle F, which is approximately 47 degrees. Let's take a look at E. E says, are the triangles similar, and explain why or why not? Yes. The corresponding angle measures are congruent. And the corresponding and it should say in the lengths of the corresponding sides. And the lengths of the corresponding sides are proportional. Now again, I want you to do A, B, and F on your own. And we're going to go with a 4-minute time limit just for questions A, B, and F. Go ahead and pause your videos now. All right, so in question A, as stated, in the side angle side congruence criterion, the corresponding sides are equal. In the side angle side similarity criteria, the corresponding sides are proportional, which means that they have equivalent ratios. State what you think the side angle side criterion would say. I said, well, if the lengths of two sides of one triangle are proportional to the lengths of two sides of another triangle, and their included angle, because of the way it's written, are congruent, then the triangles are similar. Part F also asked us to say, based on what we've seen, state the side angle side similarity. So here we're stating what we think it would say. Here we're actually stating what we have shown, which is that if the lengths of two sides of one triangle are proportional to the lengths of two sides of another triangle, and their included angles are congruent, then the triangles are indeed similar. On to your next set of questions.